Have you ever noticed how some messes seem to multiply the moment you turn your back? Imagine a vacuum that doesn't just chase dirt, it tracks it down, maps your home, and even empties itself for a full month. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today we're exploring the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, a high-end smart cleaning solution designed for homeowners who want consistent, hands-free results. This model is particularly relevant for anyone dealing with pets, allergies, or large floor areas. And if maintaining a spotless home with minimal effort matters to you, this review will help you determine if it fits your lifestyle. The purchase link is in the description below. Here are the reasons to buy Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. First, the Shark AI Ultra excels at raw cleaning performance. Its powerful suction handles dirt, dust, and debris across hardwood, tile, and carpet, ensuring no mess is left behind. Whether it's fine dust, scattered crumbs, or pet hair, the vacuum maintains consistent suction, giving you confidence that every pass counts. This kind of dependable performance makes everyday maintenance significantly easier. Navigation and coverage are equally impressive. With matrix clean navigation, the vacuum cleans in a precise grid, taking multiple passes to ensure complete coverage of your home. You won't find random zigzagging or missed corners. The AI methodically tracks what's cleaned and what's pending, which is particularly valuable in homes with complex layouts or multiple rooms. The self-emptying base is a standout for convenience and long-term ownership. Bagless and capable of holding up to 30 days of dirt and debris, it frees you from frequent emptying. The true HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns, making it highly effective for allergy-prone households. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this feature transforms what was once a routine chore into a largely automated process. Precision mapping and obstacle detection elevate usability. Using 360 degrees LiDAR vision, the Shark AI Ultra maps your home accurately, detecting furniture, objects, and even subtle layout changes. It can clean day or night, avoid obstacles, and adapt as your home changes, ensuring a smooth and efficient cleaning cycle. This thoughtful design reduces frustration and increases reliability over time. Finally, the AI Ultra is ideal for pet owners and busy households. Its self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair tangles, while its extended 120-minute runtime covers most mid- to large-size homes. Integration with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant allows voice control for on-demand or scheduled cleaning. Combined, these features create a hands-free experience that saves time while keeping your living space pristine. Final verdict: the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a premium, thoughtfully engineered choice for anyone seeking convenience, thorough cleaning, and long-term reliability. While it represents a higher investment than basic robot vacuums and may be more than necessary for very small spaces, it excels in homes with pets, allergies, or complex layouts. Its combination of suction, mapping intelligence, and self-emptying convenience makes it a standout option for homeowners who want a truly automated cleaning experience. If you value efficiency, precision, and peace of mind in home cleaning, this robot vacuum deserves serious consideration. Explore the link in the description and make a choice that matches your lifestyle with confidence.